You see what you played? I got more money than your father.
Yeah, everybody's mad at me. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, why you mad for? Yeah. Well, let's get it. Big ups, I think I'm the man. Boss up, I know I'm the man. Saucing like me, know you can.
Yo, YouTube, what's good, y'all? Saturday. Oh, what that mean? That means I'm vlogging on the weekend. You do little bitty. But now look. Hey, we back. Alright, now I don't know if I'm gonna probably I ain't gonna upload this today because I ain't got my laptop, you dig, so I can't edit it. But it will be uploaded Sunday, alright? So stay tuned. Grab your popcorn, get your drinks. Eat them up. Look, but today we got playing, you know how I had to get the fade, you know what I'm saying? Alright, looking better than ever. Got more money than your father. You dig? Shout out to Jalen for that, my boy. But look, stay tuned because we probably hit the party up later. Then I might be getting clips off the phone. Might not bring the camera, I don't know. So y'all just stay tuned because I don't even know if I really want to, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all already know the prop situation with this lens, you know what I'm saying? And as you can see, I'm in a different area because I'm at another house, you know. I got two houses, rich-ish. Ooh, but look, I ain't really talking about. Y'all already know where I go with this, man. First off, if you new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, all right? Then, if you don't already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MattSzn1. It will be right there. I don't know if it's right there or right there. It'll be right there. You'll see it. So, just stay tuned throughout this vlog. And like I said, I might switch to the phone. I don't know yet. So, just stay tuned. And we out. Is more recording? Alright, we back. Chilling in the back seat. Yeah, I don't know who that is, but sheesh. My fault, y'all. But look, damn, she fine. But I just got done watching Black Panther for the first time, man. It's a good movie, man. Real talk. Dang, they going through it right now. I ain't gonna put them on the camera, but yeah, but Black Panther, good movie on a scale from 1 to 10. Give it a cool 9.5. I give it a 10 just for the culture. You know what I'm saying? Go hard. If you didn't already, go check that out. And then I'm really just chilling, y'all. I feel good though, so I hope tonight goes planned, you know what I'm saying? If you do, then just stay tuned because I'm gonna vlog that thing. So yeah, I hope I ain't look stupid throughout this video. So yeah. Am I record? Yo, YouTube was good, y'all. Y'all already know I'm back, man. We finna hit up this party. We finna see what this mother looking like. This mother finna be turned or what? And by the way, y'all offer that iPhone, you dig? iPhone 4K, you know? Hey, you see me? Yep, okay. Finna go get that boy T-Pat. And I really, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna see, I just crack and see if I can get my thuka, my pistol, you know? Not funny. I need to cut it off. But look, man, I just need y'all to stay tuned throughout this video. And I feel I'm going to try to get some clips in at the party, man. Hopefully, nothing dumb happen, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all just, I know y'all probably close to me, I'm driving, but just stay tuned. I'm finna cut this off. All right, wait, come on. Tyler, tell me. I got you later, bro. Oh, come on. I got you. Say what's up, Dari. I can't see you, but tell them we posted. Look up. Wrap up on Dari.
What did you say? I'll go roll down my fucking left hand.
Yeah.
Pull up to the scene looking like Spider-Man. I don't even know. I can't fucking flow. Trying to get that fucking face in like a bro.
Trashy ass. I'm not. You ain't pop shit. Talking
my dick?
all about the money, but nigga, you ain't got
see my dick?
Ooh. What the?
It's your boy, Tyler, not Tyler. We in this home. This whole lame as hell. Add me on YouTube. Vlogs coming soon. For the y'all money.
Damn, I ain't editing that.
I
even see you. You a goofy.
Yo, YouTube is good. Be back, man. My bad. I didn't get more footage by last night, but last night was fun. You know what I'm saying? It was straight. Party was jumping. Well, it was, but it was just packed. But anyway, I know y'all like, man, damn, man, we need more footage. I know, bro. It was funny, though. But, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't already follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MattSzn1. This video should be uploaded tonight. So, stay tuned. I ain't really got too much to say. This is currently the next day. Add me on PS4 if you think you with the ish. If you not, stay home. I ain't really got too much to say, so yeah.